Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add fund on SNB mobile bank app. First, open the SNB mobile app on your phone. Log in using your username and password or your fingerprint or face ID. Once you are logged in, you will see a home screen with your balance. To add fund, tap on the transfer or payment from the menu. Next, select add fund or transfer money depending on your app version. Now choose where money is coming from. You can also add from your another SNB account or different bank account or a available card option. After selecting the source, enter the amount you want to add. Check the destination account to make sure the amount or money is going to the your correct SNB account. Receive all the details carefully. When everything looks correct, tap confirm, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.